This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Fannie Horn. Florida living at its best. This 2018 built magnificent 4-bedroom 3 full bath 3-car garage home is located in one of D.R. Horton's premier communities, River Oaks. Soaked in the rich racing history that became the Daytona 500 and minutes from the sandy beaches of Ormond Beach, Florida. When you drive up to the home, you will notice the space between the home as well as the stone accent and the 3-car garage, allowing you to have more space in the driveway. As you enter the home, you will find to your left 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. The floor plan opens up in the open living room / dining room / kitchen, nook. The Gourmet kitchen offers upgraded granite countertop, oversized island and extra countertop space, built-in oven and more. Perfect to entertain and put in practice your culinary skills. This spacious 3-way open floor plan also features a 3-way split floor plan, in case someone needs or decide to stay longer. Enjoy your coffee or your wine on the covered patio overlooking the pond, where you will be able to admire some wildlife. Minutes from sandy beaches, shopping, dining, and I-95. 10 minutes to Daytona Beach Airport and approximately 1 hour to the Orlando attractions. Furniture is negotiable. Call today for your showing. For more information.